In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete history on App Store. We will start with clearing your App Store search history on iPhone or iPad, then briefly look at purchase history so you understand the difference. First, open the App Store on your device. Look for the blue icon with a white letter A made of 3 simple lines. When it opens, you should land on the Today or Apps tab with featured apps and games showing in large cards. If the App Store asks for your Apple ID password or Face ID right now, you can cancel that, since we only need the search area. Now tap Search at the bottom of the screen. It is the magnifying glass icon in the bottom right corner of the App Store. When you tap it, the screen should change to a simple layout with a large search field at the top and suggestions or past items below. If you do not see the magnifying glass, check that you are in the App Store and not another Apple app. Next, tap the search field at the top. This is the bar that usually says Games, Apps, Stories, and more, or might show your last search term. Once you tap it, the keyboard appears at the bottom, and the focus jumps into that bar ready for typing. Right under it, the App Store shows your recent searches as a vertical list so you can reuse them quickly. Your recent searches will appear just below the search bar. Each one looks like a separate row with the search phrase and a small arrow or app icon. These are only stored on your device and help you quickly repeat common searches. Many beginners think this is permanent history, but it is really more like shortcuts that you can remove one by one. Swipe left on a search and tap Delete, if available. To do this, press your finger on one of the search entries and slide it gently to the left side of the screen. A red Delete button should appear on the right of that row. Tap Delete, and that single search disappears from the list immediately. If you swipe too far and it vanishes at once, that means it was deleted, which is normal behavior. Repeat for the searches you want to remove. Go down the list, swiping left on each term you no longer want to see and tapping Delete. You can leave any searches you still use often. There is no undo here, so if you delete a search, you will need to type it again next time. When you finish, the list should only show the searches you kept or might even be completely empty. If you mean App Store download or purchase history, that works differently. Your Apple account keeps a record of free apps, paid apps, subscriptions, and in-app purchases. You can view it following the path App Store, then your profile picture, then apps and purchase history, then purchase history. Apple does not offer a Delete All Purchase History button because these records stay attached to your Apple account for receipts and support. You have now cleaned up your App Store search history and learned how purchase history is different. So give this video a thumbs up if it helped and subscribe if you want more quick Apple tips like this.